everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is from my good friends at Smart Press, and if you have not yet checked out the new Foldfactory designer folds line at Smart Press, you got to check it out. You're gonna love it. They produced this piece for AIGA Minnesota. This was designed by Little & Company, and it's just really brilliant the way they did it. I think you're gonna love it. I want to spend a moment on the envelope because it's a full color custom converted envelope. So the interior is also printed and everything matches. So all available printable area was used, and then it was converted down. So I just love that. I love the oversized scale of it as well. But then the insert, this is a call for entries for a show. So it's time to show us the power of your design. Enter the AIGA Minnesota Design Show. So this is the front, this is the back. So it's just all color saturated graphics, really nice. But then this is neat. This is an accordion into accordion poster fold. So watch how this works. This opens, folds down into a 4-panel accordion format. But if you look, there's a short panel here and a short panel here. So as I said, accordion into accordion, right? So this accordion folds one more time. And so you get 2 posters out of this. And the graphics are really bold. The coverage is beautiful. And I just love how this works. And then it folds back down like this, and then folds again like this to fold back down. So really, really cool. These were digitally printed on HP Indigo digital presses. This is on 100-pound uncoated text for both pieces. Just beautiful design and execution. Love this, and I love that you can also get something that you would want to put on your wall. It folds down nice and neat and tidy. I could see this for higher ed, for pharma, all sorts of different situations where this type of idea could work really well. So that's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Accordion into accordion poster fold. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folding ideas, downloads, and templates. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.